Alright, so the RICOH GR3 is probably the coolest and the best camera ever made. It's super small, compact, fits in your front pocket, and something that I personally been doing is I've been shooting in cross-process mode. So if you go through the menus, go to cross-process, the photos that it takes is amazing. I just kind of love the colors. And also when you're shooting photos, know that you could actually hold the camera in so many different things. And also one thing I like to do is hold the camera upside down, shoot selfies of myself in different areas and situations. And there's like a quadrillion different ways you could be creative with your different angles and stuff like that. And if you're curious, I'm shooting this on a GoPro Fusion. And so it's kind of a nice idea to just kind of fuck around with it, to just kind of have fun with it, shoot with all the different directions and stuff like that. And you could even, you know, shoot under your leg and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel that the next generation of us photographers, the more we could just create spontaneously, not treat things too seriously, have more fun with it, more 360 GoPro Fusion Max stuff, the better.